Class 3, this video is for computer and for lesson number 4, word processor and introduction, part 3. Today we are going to study how we can enter text, how we can select the text, how we can edit the text and undo and redo options. Okay, so come to your book, it is on page number 43. You can see entering text. Now children, here we have to learn how we can enter the text in Word. Okay. So you can see on my screen Word is open. This is MS Word. So children, where you can see the insertion point, the text you type will appear where the insertion point flashes on the screen. Okay, so the first step is type your text for your document. Suppose I want to type or I want to make a document related to computers. So I will start writing computer with the help of keyboard like this. Okay, let me just increase the size of this so that it will be more visible to you. Okay, so like this. Okay, the text always appears, children, on the left side of the insertion. It never appears here. Whatever you type, it always come on the left side. Suppose I will write S right now, so it will come on the left side of the insertion point. Okay, so this is how you can write your text. This is very easy. Enter your text. You can type with the help of keyboard and it will come where the insertion point flashes on the screen. Okay, so children, one more thing is here. Word automatically underline misspelled words in red and grammatical errors in green. So if there is any spelling mistake, it will write in red, underline that word in red, and if there is a grammatical errors, it underline that word with green. Okay, now let's come to the word. Suppose I have written this much. Now okay, just let me just increase the size. Okay, so this is my text I have written related to computers. Okay, so children, now I am going to tell you the next part on page number 44, that how we can select a text in a document. Selecting means the selected text appear highlighted on the screen. As you can see in this picture, the selected text, like the word mobile is selected here, it appears highlighted here. So this is how the selected text appear on the screen. Now there are different methods to select different things, like how we can select a word, how we can select a sentence, how we can select a paragraph, and how we can select any part of the text. So the options which are given, I am going to show you. First, for the word, it is written you have to click double on the word. When you click double on the word, that is double click, the word will get selected. Okay, then for the sentence, how you can select a sentence, you have to press Ctrl key from the keyboard and click single click on the sentence which you want to select. Okay, so two things you have to do to select a sentence: Ctrl key from the keyboard, and along with that you have to click on the sentence. For the paragraphs, we have to click 3 times over the paragraphs which we want to select. And any part of the text, dragging will come here. How? Keep your mouse pointer over the first word you want to select and drag the mouse pointer over the text you want to select. So you can select any part of the text. Now come to the screen. I will show you how you can do. Suppose I want to select word computer. So how many times I will click? I will click 2 times. That is double click. You can see computer is selected. That is why it is appear highlighted on the screen. Now I want to select a sentence. Sentence means till full stop. I want to select the full line. How I can select that? Control key from the keyboard and single click over the line which I want to select. See, till full stop, the full line is selected. Suppose I want to select the full paragraph. So for paragraph, how many times I have to click? 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. You can see the full paragraph is selected. Now next is, if some part of the text I want to select, suppose a computer till programmed. So I will keep my mouse pointer here over the first word. I will click and drag it till I want to select. I wanted to select till program. I will bring my mouse pointer here and then I release the mouse pointer. You can see that is selected. So this is how you can select your text. Okay. Now next topic is editing text. Editing means making some correction or changes in your text. Like you can insert some text or you can delete some text. Okay, how you can insert the text, how you can delete the text. This is known as editing text. Okay, now let's see how we can do these 2 options. Now look at the screen. I have written this full paragraph and now my cursor is here. Whatever I write, it will come here. Suppose I will write good here. You can see. So you can see the good comes after this word. But I want to add any word after perform. Here I want to add. Now what will I do? I will erase the full paragraph till here and then I will write. No, it is very easy in computer. How you can edit it, how you can insert it, just with the help of mouse. Keep your mouse pointer here where you want to insert and click there. You can see your mouse pointer, your insertion point come there and then you can write whatever you want to write. Suppose I want to write perform very like this. So this is how you can add a word into your document. Okay, and deleting is again very easy. Suppose you are done with your writing part, now you want to delete something from your document. So just select that word, line, paragraph, part, as I've shown you how you can select, and then you can just press the delete key from your keyboard. Okay, suppose I want to delete this very word which I have inserted right now. So I will double click over it to select it and then I will press the delete key from my keyboard. This is my delete key. I will press it and then you can see it is erased from there. So this is how you can delete your text or insert your text. On the next page, undo and redo. These 2 options are very useful while you're writing your document. Okay, undo and redo options are present on quick access toolbar, this toolbar. Okay, the first line I have told you, the title bar, the quick access toolbar is present on the left side. Here you can see these 2 options. One is for the undo and the next one is for the redo. Now what are these options? Undo feature used to cancel the last action that is made while typing the text. It will delete the last action which will you do in your typing a document. And redo option is only you can apply after you have done undo options, because the purpose of redo is to cancel the undo action. Okay, redo means again you want to cancel the undo action, then you will press on redo. And there are some shortcut keys for undo and redo also. For undo, Control plus Z from the keyboard, and for redo, Control plus Y from the keyboard. If you press these options from the keyboard, this also perform the same function, because it is a shortcut for the redo and undo option. Okay, just have a look on the keyboard. So suppose I have written good, very. So my last action is I have written very. So when I click on this, I have clicked on the undo option, it will delete my last action. When I click on this redo, it will cancel my undo. That means very will come again. You can see. Okay, so these are the functions of undo and redo option. Children, I hope that you understood this far. Rest we will cover in our next video. Thank you.